Cantonese Roasted Goose. Ingredients: 10 pounds goose, 2 oranges, 1½ teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon pepper, 2 teaspoons sugar, 2 teaspoons 5-spice powder, 1 tablespoon shaoxing wine, or dry sherry, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 5 cloves garlic, minced, 3 slices ginger, 2 scallions, cut into 4-inch lengths. Directions: get your goose ready for roasting by removing the giblets and neck from the cavity. Use a sharp knife to trim any large pads of fat from the inside. Give the goose a really thorough rinse, including the cavity, and pat dry. Do not remove the flap of skin at the neck, just tuck it underneath the goose to keep it sealed. If the goose is trussed, remove the string and pull out the legs and wings slightly, which will help with more even cooking. Place the goose in a foil-lined roasting pan. You definitely want there to be a sizable rim around the pan, as the goose will release a lot of fat as it cooks. Zest the oranges and mix the zest with 1½ teaspoon salt, pepper, sugar, 5-spice powder, shaoxing wine, or sherry, and soy sauce. Set aside. Season the goose cavity with salt, and rub the minced garlic all throughout the cavity as well. Stuff the ginger slices and scallions into the cavity, along with the zested oranges, cut into quarters. Rub the orange zest and 5-spice mixture all over the goose, and set it aside for 30 minutes. You can also marinate it overnight for optimum results. During this time, preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 230 degrees Celsius. Place the goose in the oven and cook for 10 minutes at 450 degrees Fahrenheit / 230 degrees Celsius. Reduce the heat to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius, and cook for another 10-12 minutes per pound, about 1 hour and 45 minutes to 2 hours for a 10-pound goose. If your goose is larger, increase the cooking time accordingly. Feel free to adjust cooking times depending on your desired doneness, but don't dry it out. When a meat thermometer in the thigh reads 165-170 degrees Fahrenheit, it test done. Every 30 minutes, baste the bird with the fat in the pan. About halfway through cooking, tent the breast loosely with foil and spoon out 3 tablespoons of goose fat. Take this fat and toss it on a roasting pan with the potatoes, salt, pepper, and your choice of herbs, thyme, rosemary, whatever. Throw those into the oven with the goose in its last half hour and roast. Once the goose is done roasting, take it out of the oven and cover with foil. Give the potatoes a stir and crank the heat up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 205 degrees Celsius, to finish roasting. Let the goose rest for 20 minutes while the potatoes finish cooking.